This workshop I find is very important. It helps to put a voice to the stakeholders, because stakeholders are the ones who are really experiencing living day to day in the tourism product. And this workshop gives us a voice to air our concerns before this development can be carried out.
My big thing is cruise, and I was happy to hear that so many stakeholders, many who were not even involved in the cruise tourism, but they saw similar challenges such as road network, infrastructure, more attractions needed. These same groups can come together, and because we're all focused the same way, then we will be a destination that is way ahead of everybody else.
I find this a very important strategic initiative being undertaken by the Ministry of Tourism to bring all the key stakeholders and players for the tourism sector together in one room to discuss all the things that we can achieve to ensure that we're achieving the overarching sustainable development goals that we have for tourism.
I think this workshop is absolutely a milestone in the elaboration of the strategy and the design of the tourism strategy, and I think it has been critical to have all these stakeholders together today from different institutions, private sector, public sector, civil society, discussing the future of Jamaica's tourism. I think we had a lot of very interesting perspective, a lot of energy in the room, very rich comments, very technical, and I think we have a lot of inputs to work on.
Over the course of the next 2 months, we'll be staging a series of strategy development workshops in each destination in Jamaica. We want to encourage you to share your thoughts, your ideas, and your priorities for the tourism sector with us.